So what is MLOps? Well, I live in Switzerland, so let me make you an analogy with mountains, as we have a few of them there. So imagine you're setting out to climb a mountain or to go hiking. There's always a few dangers to watch out for. Some are small, like getting stung by mosquitoes, but other can be more serious, like injuring your leg or encountering a bear. Every mountain is different, but there's always some risk involved. Still, reaching the summit is worth it. So you grab a backpack, you start filling it with some tools, first aid kit, bear spray, etc, etc. And even if you don't really need everything, you are still very glad to have it in case you do encounter, say, a bear. So with preparation and determination and the right equipment, you managed to scale the mountain. And you needed all three of these to actually scale the mountain. It doesn't matter what equipment you bought, where you bought it from, or how expensive it was. If you don't have the proper preparation and determination, you still wouldn't make it to the top, right? So let's call the combination of all those three things mountain ops. MLOps is kind of like that, but instead of scaling a mountain, you're scaling your machine learning operations. Just like mountain ops requires preparation, determination, and equipment, MLOps brings together practices, cultures, and tools. The foundation you need to run AI systems reliably and efficiently, even as the complexity grows. Some of those tools in your MLOps backpack might include pipelines, so you don't have to repeat the same step over and over manually, like training, testing, and deploying. Kind of like an assembly line for your models. A model registry is handy to have, so you don't lose track of your models, what they do, or how they were built. Imagine it like a library for your models. And a feature store, so your model doesn't get confused by different data in training versus production. It's like the recipe book that keeps the ingredients the same every time. Also similar to mountain ops, I often tell customers here that even if they have a top platform, even if they're using, say, Red Hat AI, they still need the practices and culture. If they focus 100% on any of those and neglect the others, they're going to fail to implement a proper MLOps system. So they should focus on dividing their focus between all three of those. In our analogy, your backpack for MLOps will be your platform, and the summit, that'll be the confidence that your AI system can scale reliably, whether you have 10 models or 10,000.